Want to see how we got this plywood floor ready for install? It's coming at you.
Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411
with Robbie and Adrian. We just got all this foam board insulation installed. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. The plan is to run plywood sideways and do 3 separate sheets. My goal for right now is to use big cardboard pieces as a pattern for the plywood. So that way we make sure the cardboard fits, transfer that cardboard over on the plywood, and we only cut the plywood once. I want to put this first piece up about the end of where it's going to go. Put another piece right behind it and get me back to the back. So I use 38 and 5/8. That's what each piece will be wide.
It's a half. Keeps coming on out a little bit and then makes a harder turn. So it needs to go that way just a hair. It'll be about 14, about 8. We'll have to go to there like that. And then come this way, 8.5. Yeah. Dude, we got this big pile of stuff right there. You're going to cut around. Oh yeah.
Don't get no better than that. That is the front piece. I can't move that fast.
I trimmed just a little bit out. You don't want it squeaking.
There's our first piece. Boom. Dude, I can't believe that fit in there that good. We're back in action today. I just made pattern pieces for each side and then used this piece of cardboard to connect it. Let's do it. Just be able to draw it. That should do it, hopefully. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, we'll cut a little bit out of it. Let's go like this. Ooh, like a glove. That seems to fit. We're level over here. Might be a little too tight right there. I did make a little bit of a trim right in here and then trim this corner just a little bit. I like it the way it is right now. We're gonna get this last piece of cardboard cut and see if we can get the last piece of flooring in. I bet we're probably gonna have to cut it in half. On this last piece, it was too difficult to get it in there because we've got these supports on the side. So we split it down the middle and we're about to see if it actually fits. That seems to fit right there. Let me get the other piece. Yeah, it worked. Sweet.
Ta-da!
So we got it all cut. It all fits. On the next video, we'll actually install this flooring and then we're gonna put linoleum down on top of it. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that one. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Any of your van camping people or anybody that you think needs a camper van, share this video with them. As always, thanks for watching.